Breaking news here this morning for Nikola on the show. Got a really interesting bit of news for you this morning. And Tesla boys, Tesla investors, look elsewhere. You won't want to see this, but it's a very cool thing. If you are a Nikola investor, you are loving this news. So the money printer is on at the moment for Nikola. This is exciting news. You are making money. It is stacking up. What is the news? Well, I'm going to bring it to you without further ado right now. You're going to like this. So Nikola today again is up. Why is it up? Well, this doesn't go against it. This certainly helps. This penny stock EV leaves the big boys Tesla, Rivian and Lucid in the dust with 14% year-to-date gain. What are we talking about? All right, the company's share value dropped from 2 to 1 in 23 due to several setbacks. The company also witnessed leadership changes with Steve Gursky replacing Michael Lonchler as CEO in August. But what is it? Let's focus onto it. You're going to love this. Nikola investors are going to love this news. EV truck maker Nikola up again today, delivered 40 hydrogen fuel cell electric trucks in the first quarter, leading its shares to rally over 6% on Thursday. Given the low share price, even small increases translate into large percentage gains. But notably, Nikola's stock is up 14.46 year to date, unlike most pure play EV makers whose stocks have been falling. Look at this. Very nice today to report this news. If you are an investor from Nikola, you are very, very happy right now. Let's have a look. Not an easy climb back up. However, Nikola's path hasn't been smooth. The company's share value dropped from over $2 to below $1 in 23 due to several setbacks, including multiple fire incidents with its battery electric trucks, a subsequent recall and executive reshuffles. We know all about that. Nikola started delivering battery electric trucks before its hydrogen fuel cell trucks. However, the company recalled these vehicles in August following multiple fire incidents. New BEV truck sales are currently halted as Nikola focuses on returning the recalled vehicles to customers. Management shuffles. The company also witnessed leadership changes with Steve Gursky replacing Michael Lonchler, sorry if I've got that mispronounced that, as the CEO August, and Anastasia Pastorik resigned as the CFO after just a few months. Last month, former General Motors executive Thomas Okray was appointed as the new CFO. For the whole of last year, Nikola produced a total of 38 trucks, less than 258 it made in 22. It reported a total revenue of 35.8 million and a gross loss of 214.1 million, higher than the 86 million loss reported in 22. However, the stock has been on an upward trend since the start of 2024, likely due to the sales of its hydrogen trucks and the anticipated return of its recalled BEVs. In February, Gursky stated that deliveries of fixed BEV trucks would restart in late Q3 of early Q4 of 2024. All recalled vehicles are projected to be back with customers by the end of Q2 or early Q3. Very nice indeed. So we see a nice little rally here with Nikola. Can this continue? Well, I do believe, and I did say when I first started looking at Nikola, I wasn't liking it. I was looking at the old management, the old style, all the issues of the past. I believe that's been sorted now. So I'm much more bullish on Nikola. Full disclosure, I only own the S&P, so I don't pump and dump stocks. The definition of pumping a stock is when you pump to dump it, make a profit from spreading information. I don't ever do that, never will do that. I'm here for my members to provide the best service, to provide live news and information. This is great, however. I do believe that Nikola has got a good path forward now. I do like the hydrogen model. I think they're best placed to capitalize on it, and this is great. However, people have lost a lot of money and a lot of faith along the way, and they treat the stock as a bit of a cash machine. And the moment it pops 10, 15, 20%, they sell. And to be quite honestly, you should at this stage as well, because if you can make what you can make on the S&P, which is the benchmark for anyone to beat, the best people in the business can't beat it. So if you think you can, and you think overall per year you are better than anybody else, then fine. But mere mortals like me don't think we can. So if you get a 10%, 15% profit from it, why would you not take it? At the end of the day, what are you here for? To make money. If you can beat the market consistently and keep making 10% profits over and over again. However, I want to say that will eventually change. When we get above the sort of $1.15, $2 range, then things will start to settle down. But right now, as long as we're under $1, we're in that delisting territory, we're in that over-the-counter image, it doesn't look good. We want to be above $1. So around this point, you can get 10, 15%. Why would you not? At $2, you can start looking at it as a long-term investment. Anyway, good news for Nikola. Click above my head, down below here in the description, more links. Over here, you'll find the extra channels where I'm live 12 hours a day, and we're about to get a major upgrade for all members. You are going to love what's about to happen. It's going to be fantastic. Going to announce it very, very soon. You won't want to miss it. You'll want to be a member when this drops. Trust me, it's the best thing ever I've had on the channel. I'm really excited about it. Anyway, there you go. So click above my head, down over here, and over here, more information you'll find on Nikola and other things. Until then, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.